How top brands become customer-centric like Zappos, Four Seasons, Postmates, and Birchbox. Let's go to the topic. Let's analyze the today's world business. Okay, today's world compete not just in price, product, but on how well they understand their market or their customers. So guys, in today's video, even with a great strategy, becoming a truly customer centric takes time, effort, and a whole lot of heart. And it takes a lot of studies. So let's explore how these companies become more successful. So, okay, first is, guess what? Zappos. Okay, guys, Zappos is known as their online shoe store. Besides for being an online store, they are very well known for its legendary customer service. So that's why they are number one. Okay, they are the top one in my list. So when Zappos began, their goal you know, wasn't just to sell. Okay, okay. Their goal wasn't just to sell shoes. So their also goal for to deliver it to the customer. So um, they had the story. They had this story that if the shoes didn't fit, you can return it immediately without explanation, without chaos. Just said just say that the shoes doesn't fit, so no issue. So their CEO Tony Hsieh built a culture where employees were empowered to go above and beyond for customers. So you can really talk to their customer service so they can assist you. So Zappos rep once a spent over 8 hours on a single customer call. Imagine one customer for an 8 hours assistance. Okay, that's mind blowing. But Zappos can do that. Just making sure that the person felt happy and heard. And this is not just about the product, but how you sell it. So okay, no scripts, no limits, just genuine connection. So when you call Zappos, they actually encourage you to talk about anything, not just your order. Okay. Oh, how's your day? Just like that. So that's the customer centricity. It's best when customer service becomes part of the brand personality. So they are not just selling shoes, they are selling experience and personality. Okay. And part 2, let's go to the part 2, which is the trending hotel in Madrid. They actually have a lot of branches in different countries, but here it is, the Four Seasons Hotel. This image is from Turkey, but a little story time, guys. We all know that the Four Seasons is going on trend right now, not because of not of because of their great service, but we all know that Zaldico is there, which is which is a which is has an issue in our government. But before that issue, the Four Seasons is very well known as the most luxurious hotel chains in the world. Why? Because they focus on personalized experiences and emotional connection. Example, guys. Every staff member is trained to anticipate guest needs. even the ones who's not spoken aloud, even the introverts, they can manage that. So if you're introvert, perfect. So the brand empowers employees to make on the spot decision even if it makes a guest happy. So no need for manager approval. So for example, you love this specific tea, and the next morning you will actually encounter that tea in your table. So this creates consistent feeling of care and trust, turning one-time guests into lifelong loyal customer. That's why all of the rich people looking forward to check in always in this hotel. So next company, guess what, guys? In Philippines, we have Grab, Food Panda, we have we have a lot of food deliveries, but here is very unique, guys. In Postmates, okay, in Postmates, guys, listening and excuse me, listening and adapting to customer needs, because first of all, we have here an active delivery riders, very active, very responsive. The app interference, very personal, and people receiving food and essentials. So why it's on demand? Okay, Postmates become successful constantly by listening to what users need. Okay, what does the users need? Speed, flexibility, reliability. They realize service didn't just want food delivery. They wanted anything, anytime, and anywhere. So they expanded into groceries, not just groceries, guys. We all know that some of the food delivery, they actually the quantity is very strict, but here you can make groceries and technical items, of course. They are the most trusted delivery company, because even technology items, you can trust them. Okay, so even random store requests like pautos, okay, bumili ng ganito if you need an emergency and walang makakaalis sa bahay nyo, ikaw lang. So yeah, you can make pautos by analyzing user feedback and adapting quickly. So Postmates daw as actually position itself as a problem solver. Biruin mo, may event sa inyo, nagluluto ka, tas naubusan ng ganito, ganyan. Sinong responde? Syempre si Postmates, agad-agad silang nagre-respond. So, giving people exactly what they need even before they ask. So that is Postmates, kung bakit talaga sila laging binabalik-balikan. So next is my favorite, the Birchbox. Why? It's about beauty subscriptions. It's not, di ko siyang masasabing store lang. Yes, it's nakapaloob dito yung saklaw nila yung store. But this Birchbox is amazing, guys. We all know that subscriptions is not just you're spending money, bill lang siya, but subscriptions are well-known na investments talaga. If you want to learn something, if you want to be guided to something, then you need subscriptions. Okay, in beauty industry, we have subscription. So Birchbox is known as boxes being packed, beauty products, woman unboxing Birchbox. So we all know that this trending. So here, their goal wasn't just to sell makeup. Okay, it was simplify and personalize the beauty experience. Each box is tailored to a customer's unique profile, skin type, preferences, and interests. Example, eto. Binebentahan mo ko ng blush na color pink, knowing na morena type of skin ako. So, sa tingin nyo, bibili pa kayo doon? So, no. So, Birchbox is personalizing the customer's needs. So, Birchbox talagang ina-analyze nila. So, magpi-fill up ka doon ng mga, what's your skin type? Are you oily skin? Are you dry skin? What's your tone, undertone, or cool tone? So, in that way, Birchbox will personalize makeup na babagay sa'yo. Yung hindi ka magmumukhang clown. Okay, ganun sila responsibilidad sa inyo. You're not just paying for the makeup. You're paying for the quality. You're paying for the results and experience, of course. Next, okay, ito pa, isa pa sa example ko. Kumari si Marian Rivera ang model. Sa tingin nyo, lahat bibili? No, kasi si Marian maputi siya. And iba-iba tayong types of girls. Mayroong mga morena talaga. Okay, so, in that way, kung mga consumer ang magiging model, in that way, mas naaakit pa nila yung mga ibang type of girls para bumili ng products. So, here, meron silang mga makeup tutorial, meron silang mga skincare step by step. And through this model, guys, Birchbox made beauty accessible, personalized, and fun. Kasi sa ating mga girls, so super stressful talagang maghanap kung ano bang babagay sa akin. You have to make a research na ano bang mangyayari sa skin ko pag ginamit ko to. Here in Birchbox, they made it easy for you. So, yung subscription na babayaran mo sa kanila is actually mas makakatipid ka pa. Kung magre-research ka lang kasi mag-isa, is mas mapapamahal ka pa. Kung bibili ka pa ng iba't ibang makeup, tapos hindi naman nag-work sa'yo, ending papamigay mo lang, 'di ba? So, sayang. It's either papamigay mo or itatapon mo. So, that's why I really love Birchbox. And, to summarize that, grabe 5 minutes lang ang minimum, but here I am, 13 minutes na. So, guys, to sum things up, no? To sum things up, wait guys, so being customer-centric nga isn't just about good service, it's about listening, empowering, and caring. Of course, dapat maramdaman yan ng customers. So, first, Zappos created a culture of empathy, of course. Kung di kasya sa'yo ang shoes, talagang papalitan nila kagad yan. Alam nila yung pakiramdam, yung frustration. And next, syempre, is yung 4 season. Why? Because they personalize every experience here. Kahit ultimo, shampoo, di ba? Personalize talaga kasi nag-create din sila ng letter, yung papadalan ka ng letter, ng flower, Gusto mo yun, di ba? Sobrang nakakakilig yung experience dito kahit wala kang jowa, di ba? So, in Postmates naman, of course, they adapted through innovation. Di ba? Meron ka ng mauutusan, di ba? Kung tama ng mga tao sa bahay nyo, dito ka na. Kaysa ma-stress ka kakatalak, mag-Postmates ka na lang. Okay, in Birchbox naman, of course, that's what keeps customers coming back. Syempre, customers data. They use customers data to create a meaningful connection. Kasi ganun kami mga babae, mas madaling bentahan ang mga babae. Totoo yan. So, with that, what do you think, guys, is the brands pa na magta-top ng mga centric customer? Okay? Centric customer service sila. So, comment down below kung ano pa yung mga brands na talaga nagfo-focus sa customer service, kung bakit sila sikat, and we will make a review to that. Bye!